Papa, we're rounding up already. I think she's almost done. She's done the basics already.
They have sent the driver.
Hey, Papa, I won't almost done. It's just to wear the clothes. You just get dressed.
Look at the time. It's 9 o'clock and the service is 10 o'clock. Please.
The menus is on.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah.
Meet me outside.
It's to dress now.
Yeah, it's to dress. You have to go, eh?
Alright. You have your transport?
Yes. Meet Papa outside. Papa will give you the balance.
Okay. Good. This is funny.
Almost done.
Open man.
No, I don't look for this thing.
Wait.
This thing.
I've been looking for it.
Yeah.
You're not done.
I'm almost done.
In fact, I think we're waiting now. My stuff is messed up. Are you wearing sauce? Hey.
Time is going on. Time is going on.
Oh, we are coming.
Almost done.
Check me out. Hey! You look good. See, I beg. No loss this gold I give you, I beg.
Don't see. Don't try it. It's my wedding day. Don't give me hangover for my time, okay? So don't talk to me now. Let's go. I'm respecting as much as you supported me this way. Don't talk to me like that. Yeah. Wedding boy! Let's go. Come here. Hey, come now. Come.
No, see your next, see where you're dressed.
Oh, okay.
That's why this thing, hold on.
That's why you're my best man now. My younger brother. You say please, you don't touch your elder brother's hair like that.
I will leave you like this.
Yeah, sorry.
My guy do okay, my guy do okay.
Pure.
Time is going, oh.
I'll go do it to you.
Go talk today, well. Today na fool you. We go drink this beer, go drink beer today, well. Hey.
What It's a wedding day. That's so.
What's that? Why do you want to drink?
What do you mean?
Huh? It's not my wedding. It's your wedding.
No. So I will not buy drinks from people. I will not drink from it.
Bros, calm down. I'm telling you because I know
Yeah.
who you are. Before I know you,
Down,
you drink.
cool down. All this over get me.
Give
me him to
take one bottle.
One wedding, yeah.
Because say you wear suit like and now you walk on the
One for the road.
Now you see them
Cool down. On my wedding.
One day. We go feed them. Okay.
I swear.
Free.
I swear you are there.
I beg.
Today.
Bros, look at the time.
We'll go finish this there first.
No, we're not finishing.
Okay, we'll not finish it.
So Moke will go now. No problem. Because the father parish people, they don't call me.
Okay. If father no see Akonam, father should wait for Akonam.
Father is not waiting for anybody.
Father will wait for me.
He's not waiting
It's
for
not
anybody.
so I will decide to I will disqualify
Father
the
should
father.
wait.
You want me to remove my
there.
You have to remove
Alright guys, let's go. Let's go.
Bros, let's go.
I will come back for this drink.
I'm drinking. I did now.
Chidima, I'm coming back for my drink. Keep it very well.
Bros, waiting now. I'm on the go now. Bros, keep it. Keep her. I don't say too like to drink. Like to drink. Get out. These village people.
Up till now, there's no chair, there's no canopy. So when will they set up for the ceremony? And we're all going to church. Who is going to supervise them? You better be.
Papa, why are you all worked up? What is it?
Can you imagine up till now? No chairs, no canopies, no nothing, and we're all going to church. We don't know who is going to supervise now.
Papa, you don't have to stress yourself. You don't really need to. These people are professionals. They were paid to do the job and they will do it. Huh?
It's okay.
We are late for the service. Hey, Papa, you're not joining us?
We'll meet in church, don't worry. We'll meet in church.
You're working out.
Actually, Uchechi's wedding today.
Huh? Yes, Uchechi wedding.
Uchechi?
Yes.
She's getting married today.
Yes.
Today.
Now the cow they kiss so.
They kill the cow for the ceremony.
Hey!
Anything wrong about it?
No,
Nothing wrong.
Genesis chapter 2, verse 24 says that a man shall leave his father and mother and join with his wife, and they shall become one till death do them part. Are you both ready for this? Yes. If anyone here knows why these two should not be joined in holy matrimony, he or she should say it now or forever remain silent.
Uchechi, stop! Stop! You! Uchechi!
Oh, no, 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 no!
What?
Wait, what do you mean what? Why are you doing this? Listen, I was told you were dead. I waited for you. No, I wouldn't do this to you ordinarily.
Uchechi, you thought I was dead?
No, they said you were dead.
Oh, they said I was dead.
But that's the truth.
That's why you didn't come to prison to see me.
I tried everything I could.
It's too late. Go and marry Akonam.
No, listen, I've left him already.
Oh,
I'm
okay,
not going back.
No, you thought I was dead. That's why you went ahead to marry Akonam.
I already came for you.
Okay, now. We'll see.
No, why are you pushing me? What's the meaning of that? Why are you pushing me? What's the meaning of that? Why are you pushing me? What kind of madness? Come on, somebody. Listen to me.
I came to pick what belongs to me.
What belongs to you?
Yes.
What? My friend, let's go back.
Go to where? Don't touch her.
Oh, see, see, I'm already angry.
Akonam.
I am already angry with
Akonam,
you.
I'll do. Listen,
let's go back.
Listen, don't touch her.
Are you mad?
Do this village boy, don't touch her.
Are you mad? Huh?
I came to take what belongs to me.
What belongs to you?
Uchechi belongs to me.
Uchechi belongs to you?
Yes.
Do you know she's pregnant for me?
Huh?
No. Do you know she's pregnant for me?
What did you say?
My friend, be very careful with me.
Huh?
Let's go.
Uchechi, you're pregnant. Huh? Uchechi.
My friend, let's go!
Uchechi, you're pregnant for Akonam. You're pregnant for Akonam. Hey!
Emenike, please. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry.
Are you pregnant for him or not?
Let's not talk about that. Let's just talk about us. You and I. Please.
Uchechi, I am not a child. Are you pregnant for Akonam or not?
Emenike, can we go somewhere quiet and talk about us?
Talk about what?
You and I. Please. Okay, I promise I'll tell you everything if you forgive me.
I won't forgive you.
Then I'll kill myself. Can't you just listen to me?
What did you say?
I'll kill myself.
You'd kill yourself?
Yes.
Alright then, go and kill yourself.
is it? Don't tell me that. Don't tell me what is it. Are you blind? Were you not there when they were humiliating me? What did you do? Were you not there when they were rubbishing me? What did you do as my younger brother? Did you fight for me? So listen to me. It will never happen. As far as I'm concerned, a fellow man like me will not take what rightfully belongs to me. It will not happen. I will fight. Uchechi is mine. And she's carrying my baby. Can you just stop and stop shouting? So that we'll know what to do with this. Shouting cannot help anything. Why are you shouting? My child there, what are you saying? No, tell me. Whose side are you? Are you by my side or by his side? Tell me! See, I've tried to make you understand and you're here shouting. Why are you shouting? What are you shouting for? These two people love themselves. And it's clear to you. So why are you fighting? My child there! Who said I did not love her? No, tell me. Where was Emenike when I was spending my hard-earned money? Where was he? When I was buying cream, where was Emenike? When I was buying her human hair, where was he? Now he wants to come and reap what he did not sow. It will never happen. Somebody will go down. Somebody will go down. It's a promise. Nobody's going down. Nobody's going to lose his head in this few. What's going on with you? You do have to force someone to get married to you. The person don't want to get married to you. Can't just come and look for another woman to get married to. What woman? I can't think. At that moment, I can't think. My head is saturated. All I am thinking about is how to behead somebody that is taking a rifle below the mind. You didn't need all you need to do is just to calm yourself down. I am not calming down. Listen to me. If I don't have Uchechi, I will kill Emenike and I'll kill myself. That settles it. Nobody's dying. It's just can't you understand? Listen to yourself. Oh, you think I'm joking? To kill. You don't believe me, right? You don't believe me? Good. Stop all this thing. It does not make it. All this. No problem. No. Hey. Stop. Just hold. Don't hold me. Hold on. It has not got into this. Just give me the knife. No, leave it. Don't take knife from me. I said no. I will kill somebody. They think you are drunk. No problem. Okay, just hold on. I don't need anymore. Leave the collapse. Okay, hold on. We are going together now. But you promise me you will behave yourself. Just promise you will behave yourself and I go with you. Let's go. Okay, just give me the knife. I said no. I am not giving. Let me just drop. Get into this guy. Let's go. Let me drop the knife at the boot. No. I want to hold it. You want to hold the knife? Hold it from there. But I'm telling you, just keep the knife.
Ichakobi, Akonam and his brother. I think there is a question I want to ask. At least it's going to help us. At least it will help us to solve this matter once and for all. Ichakobi, listen. Did you return Uchechi's dowry before Akonam came asking for hand in marriage?
I did. I gave it back to the father's brother, Nkume. Unfortunately, he died the day after. And as I speak, his kinsmen are not aware of this.
Well, as a youth leader, I will always do my possible best to see that this matter is solved once and for all. What shall we do now? Now that your daughter is pregnant for Akonam, because as it is now, this issue is a delicate one. You see, Uchechi, my daughter, would not have allowed Akonam to get her pregnant.
Insult. Insult! What do you mean? I need my wife.
Akonam, in as much as we are trying to settle this matter amicably, mind how you speak to him. He's an elderly man.
What we should be concerned now is, who would Uchechi accept to marry? You didn't pay anything on her head. You only came here with the intention to marry her. But you never paid the bride price. So why would you be claiming that he's your wife?
I don't want to listen to all the rubbish you're saying. All I want is my wife. Go in there and bring Uchechi for me. I want her. Can you just keep quiet? I've been here watching you, looking at you. You just be shouting. Why can't you be quiet and calm down so that we can discuss this thing according to how it's supposed to be? You're making noise. Calm down so that you can try to arrange things the way it's supposed to be. And you're here shouting. No, are you now my son? You don't have sense anymore. What do you mean? Talk to your brother anyhow. Are you crazy? Please, uncle. Please. Don't try again. Don't try with me. Don't even shout at me. We're here shouting and making. Keep quiet so that we can see if things can work out. Hey. We're here shouting.
Listen, right. I will not have you come to my house and start to shout at me. Do you understand?
What will happen?
Did you pay anything on her head? Did you pay anything on her head? Who knows why God has decided to make things this way? You claim you paid people to come to come for decorate here. Canopy, chairs, nothing. I killed cow for this ceremony. All I get is nothing and shout from you.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What are you saying?
Kill cow for this ceremony?
Answer. Are we here to discuss cow and food and everything? Hold on, Canopy. Hold on. We're here to discuss my wife. I need my wife. Akonam, can you calm down? Calm down. I want to understand what is going on here. Sorry, is he not here that we're doing? Is he here we're supposed to do this thing? Yes. Where's the Canopy? Where's the Canopy I give you the money for? And other things you asked me for the money I give you. I'm asking you here. Shut up! What do you mean? Are you serious? Is that why we are here? Is it because of Canopy and chairs we are here? We are here so we can take my wife home. Are you for me or you are against me? Are you serious? Enemy's camp? I need my wife. So, I gave this man money to arrange this wedding. And you did not do anything. Oh, I'm sorry, please. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry. You ask. See, I've been respecting you. I've been respecting you. Don't ever touch me. Don't ever get me angry. Don't ever try it. See, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You're my senior brother, and that is it. Forget it. If you don't respect yourself now, I will respect you. Don't respect yourself.
Brother, mind your business, joy. Ona fully fan you connect or when you go boya motalanyo funa joy. Ona fugona your father lama manta makanone kukachacha. Iyelele I gonna miss a lazy man.
Obima, what do you want?
Emily, I'm here to talk to you.
Talk about what? Obima, you were supposed to be my friend. But you never came to prison to see me. What are you here for?
See, I'm here to talk to you.
Talk about what? Oh, you came to know if I'm still alive, so you can give my woman to your brother.
It's not like that.
Then how is it?
See, my brother, I'm here to see. I want to talk to you. I know. You don't understand.
Understand what?
I didn't know this thing was like this.
Listen to me, and you will never know. So get out of my house. Obima, I said get out of my house. Get out!
My brother.
Obima.
Please, brother. It's not... alright? They will know me in this village that I am a madman. They will know that I'm a madman in this village. Not just a madman. A madman raised to power square, raised to power 2. A madman nobody can toy with and go scot-free. In this village. Don't worry. I'm patiently waiting for them.
See, can you listen?
They will see me in another form.
Can you listen to yourself? Take a moment and think. If Uchechi is worth this stress you are going through. Now, ask yourself again. If Uchechi is the only woman in this village. And lastly, think if you can really win this battle that you are trying to fight. Because Uchechi that I'm seeing is not even listening to you. Why don't you just calm yourself, package yourself, and look for another woman? I told you that I'm willing to do anything to make you happy. Why are you putting this stress?
Turn there! What do you mean? What are you saying? I knew it. I knew you were going to support Emenike because it's your friend. Shame on you. Shame on you. You're supposed to be standing beside your brother. Standing by your brother.
You're ashamed of yourself. The money I gave you to pay for the food and the canopy. What happened to that money? And you're here opening your mouth and saying nonsense to yourself, not me. You're not ashamed of yourself. If this wedding had held today, you would have embarrassed our kinsmen and I.
Return there! And stop talking about the canopy and the food you gave him money for. All we should be talking about now is my wife. You are supposed to stand by me. Join me and fight this battle. You are humiliating your elder brother. Are you not ashamed? Fight with me. Stand by me. That is all I ask for.
I will never be part of this fight. I will advise you to rest. Goodbye.
Yes, goodbye. Goodbye. Don't worry. Don't fight for me. I will fight for myself. I'll be the last man standing. You think I'm waiting for you? I'm not waiting for you. I can fight by myself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Yeah, look at him. When you're supposed to be fighting for your elder brother, you want to chicken away. I'm not scared of you. I will fight the fight myself. I am ready for them. I will fight with my last blood. You think I'm scared of you? I am not. Shame on you. You are supposed to be fighting for your elder brother. Now you want to chicken away. You want to chicken away. I'm not stopping on you. I will fight. I will fight. I will let them understand in this village that nobody takes away what rightfully belongs to me. Go and enjoy yourself. Tell Emenike, all your plans, I will overcome them. No problem. No problem. I'm waiting for them. Where's my class? I will come for you. Whether you kiss me today or I kill him today. What is it?
Why are you going with the
Emenike will kill me today or I will behead him. I must behead Emenike today for what he did to me. Who is he?
What did he do to you?
Oh, you don't know. Were you not there? Were you not there when you came to my wedding and stopped my wedding?
No, point of correction. Emenike did not spoil your wedding.
Then who did?
That girl did.
Which girl? Who did?
Uchechi did. The person you call your wife spoiled your wedding. So, I will advise you to go back home and keep the knife.
I am not going anywhere.
If you kill Emenike now, what will it be? What will be your gain?
I will be very happy. I will be very happy for killing him. Yes, because he destroyed my wedding. My wedding day, he stopped it. And he took away my woman. It's not going to happen. Where was Emenike when I was taking care of that girl? Where was he? See, listen. I will kill him today because one day everybody must die. I will prefer dying, fighting for what rightfully belongs to me, than a man like me, coming to oppress me. It's not going to happen.
Calm down. Let me advise you.
I'm listening.
Another says, a word said in half goes into the wise and become a whole. Calm down.
Stop it, too.
Look at what that guy is doing there.
Which guy that one?
Ogini, let's go back. Ogini. Give me a call. I'm not going anywhere.
I'm not giving.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm only respecting you.
Come.
I'm only respecting you.
Follow me.
Oh, somebody got out to the test. Oh, it's alright. I've told you, all this thing you are doing will not solve this problem.
Akonam.
It will not.
What is it? Where are you going to?
Ask him. Do you know that this Akonam wants to go and kill Emenike with this knife?
Akonam!
What is it? Huh?
What is wrong with you now, eh? Why not calm down? Just calm down. What's all this?
I should calm down.
Yes!
I should calm down. Were you not there when Emenike came to stop my wedding? Huh? No, were you not there? They're telling me to calm down.
Akonam.
Right? Alright.
Akonam, you have to calm down. If Uchechi is meant to be your wife, she will surely come.
Oh! If she was meant to be my wife, right? No. If she was meant to be my wife, and it's now you know she's meant to listen to me. When I was buying human hair, where were you? You didn't tell me if she was meant to be my wife. When I was doing everything, I will come to your house. I will do all the church work and everything. Wait, people. People didn't know she was going to be menting, right? Nobody should tell me that.
Did she force you to buy all those things?
What do you mean?
Did she force you to buy all those things?
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I've respected enough. Sure, give my money. Give my money. Let me go. Look.
If you kill someone, you will land in jail.
Let me land in jail.
Like it.
It's better I go to jail than a fellow man like me and Menike will take what belongs to me.
Akonam.
Yes.
Hey, Godi, I don't want to involve youths on this. You know, if I do.
But
and that is why I'm holding you.
You're chatting me.
Please.
There will be war.
Youth leader, please don't be.
Stop
now. Stop now.
Give me.
So you will not listen to me again. Tomorrow you come and beg me to. Stop.
See, I've respected you enough. Give my machete. Give me my machete. It's alright.
Akonam.
What is it?
Don't worry. If Uchechi is yours, she will come back.
She's mine.
Uncle, please.
She's mine. I need her now. Now, I need her. She's mine.
Where are you taking him? Let me. Come.
Look. No, I'm taking him home. As I understand. As I pop your what? Take time. As I pop your no, wait. Okay. Carry me, put on my head now. As pop your what?
Why? I don't want to involve youths.
In fact, there will be war.
Akonam, why are you
I will
now?
Follow me.
Youth leader, youth leader.
Follow me. As what? As what? As a popular what? Follow me. As a popular what?
Mr. Okobi. Yes, Father. I wanted to leave you to handle this your own way. But on a second thought, I decided to be part of the settlement. What happened in the church during the wedding can cause family or even a kindred scandal. And that is the reason why I'm here. So, have you talked to your daughter about it?
I have not. But then, there is actually nothing to talk about. You see, Akonam here had said he was going to pay the bride price on the day of the traditional marriage ceremony, which at the end of the day really never happened. So it's quite obvious the position of my daughter. I know she's going to say no.
Uchechi, you heard your father. Did he say so?
Emenike here already paid my bride price before his misfortune.
Misfortune? Father, I don't want to cut anybody short, but at the same time, in that case, I have the money here. I want to pay the bride price now.
Akonam, calm down. See, you cannot force my daughter to accept your proposal when she is actually not ready for it.
So what about my child?
What child?
Because she's carrying my baby.
Did I ever tell you I was pregnant with your child?
Yes, you told me. You told me you're pregnant for me.
I never said a thing like that. You're lying against me. You only said I was putting on weight and I said maybe I'm double. Does that mean I'm pregnant?
You're pregnant for me.
I am not pregnant.
You said it.
What are you forcing it on me? Nanukwam. Yeah.
Akonam, please. You can't force a woman into your life. We are talking about a lifetime partner. And besides, you have not paid her bride price. Please, calm down. Mr. Okobi.
Father, thanks so much. I'm really happy the way you have intervened into the matter. It has really helped.
Thank you so much, Father. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. I have to leave.
I'll see you off.
Mr. Akonam, you can take a horse to the river, but you can never force it to drink the water. The kingdom of God suffered violence, and only the violence taketh it by force, but not in a marriage. Peace and love win in a marriage. You have not paid her bride price. I know you are better than this. You are a very handsome man. So many girls are out there waiting for you to knock on your door. Mr. Okobi.
Uchechi, are you pregnant or not?
Obim, don't you trust me? I thought we've been through this. We've talked about it.
Did you hear me say a word in there? Are you pregnant or not?
You never said a word, but okay. Let's just go to your house. Let me make something nice for you to eat.
Uchechi, why did you lie to the priest?
My love, you don't trust me?
We have to go for a pregnancy test.
Obim, I'm sorry.
Uchechi, you're sorry?
I don't want to lose you.
So you're actually pregnant for Akonam? Uchechi.
Minika, I love you.
Uchechi. This guy will run down. I've offended her, and that's why she's angry. Okay, what do I do now? Okay. Probably I should buy her a gift. Then if I buy her a gift, to soften her heart, she will forgive me. And she will accept me back. Then we'll be friending again.
Akonam, how did this go?
Cannot believe it.
What?
Uchechi denied it flat that she's not pregnant for me. Can you imagine? She denied it too. But I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying.
Uchechi cannot lie. If she says she's not pregnant, then maybe she said it jokingly.
Jokingly? Then the question now is, how many times does she joke in a month? And how can it be joking with a thing like this? I'm very sure of what I'm saying. I'm very sure. Yeah, I understand I was very drunk that very day, but I can still remember some things. And at the same time, I still need to go and get her a gift so that she can forgive me and accept me back.
Now you're talking. That's what you should have done.
Alright, good. You know you are her friend, so you know what she likes. So tell me, what should I buy for her?
How can you not know what she likes? She's your friend too. You know her better. Think of something she likes and get it for her.
For what? Getting her a gift? No! I don't think I should be giving her a gift. I think what I need to do is to go and meet her and take her to Urashi Shrine so that she can swear. She needs to swear that she's not carrying my baby. What is it?
Where is this one coming from?
I know what I'm saying. I know what she's lying to me. She needs to prove to me that she's not carrying my baby.
Akonam, calm down. Now, is that why you're raising your voice like that? Calm down.
I'm not coming in. Listen, she needs to swear to prove it to me. I am very sure she's carrying my child. And she needs to prove it to me. If not, somebody will kill it. Somebody must kill somebody in this village. Is that I kill her or she'll kill me in this village?
Akonam, why are you? Akonam!
She must swell. She must swell. She must swell. Uchechi, come out. You have to settle this once and for all. Come out. Uchechi, come out. Come on, what do you want? Come out. Tell her to come out. Tell Uchechi to come out. We need to go to Urashi's shrine to swear. She needs to swear that she's not carrying my baby. She needs to prove to me.
Akonam, why are you troubling yourself? Can't you just understand the situation and give up?
What situation? What situation? Tell her to prove. She should prove it. Oh, you think I'm joking? All right. Come out. Akonam.
Come out of my house. Come out. Can you stop that? Come out of my house.
I should come out. You think I'm joking?
Come, you are overstepping your bounds.
And so,
you will have me fight you.
What will you do? You think I'm scared of you? Huh?
You don't want to know what I'll do to you.
What will you do?
You get me angry.
I'm sure. You think I came here to joke? I came here to tell her to come and follow me. She must follow me to that shrine to swear. She need to prove to me. She need to prove to me she's not carrying my baby.
Akonam, if I go inside and get the cutlass, I will cut you to pieces.
How? You think I'm scared of you? What is this? Am I holding a cake?
I don't want to repeat myself.
Oh, you are threatening me now.
I don't want to repeat myself.
You are threatening me, right? You are threatening me. Huh? You are supporting me. You are threatening me. What am I holding? Is it a stick?
I don't want to repeat myself.
Is it a cake?
I don't want to repeat myself.
Tell her to come out. I am not scared of you. I am not respecting you, but tell her, in this village, she must prove to me that she's not carrying my baby. If not,
Akonam,
what?
If anything happens to my daughter.
And what will happen?
If anything happens to my daughter.
What will happen? I'll cut that finger. What will happen? Don't worry. Let her not prove to me she's not carrying my baby. If she does not swear, something will happen to her. Something will happen to her. It's alright. I'll be back.
My love, please forgive me. If you don't forgive me, I'm going to kill myself, please. I'm so sorry.
Have you forgiven yourself? Alright, then I forgive you.
Thank you.
Uchechi, hey, come. You follow me to the shrine to swear. You will swear they are not carrying my child.
What is wrong with you? Listen, you're beginning to get on my nerves, and I'm not going to take this easy with you. I am not carrying your child. Get that into your head. Leave me alone.
Listen to me. You can deceive everybody with your lies, but you can't deceive me. You have to swear. I'm not
going anywhere with you.
You go.
I will not. I'm not carrying your child.
You go. You can follow me to Urashi's shrine to swear.
Just don't come close to me.
Don't dare me.
Don't dare me.
I'll behead if you don't follow me.
Did you not see me here?
And so what? And so?
Don't touch her.
Now listen to me. I did not come here because of you. So mind your business! I came here because of her. Now let's go.
I'll repeat myself. Don't touch her.
I said let's go! I'll behead you! Let's go!
I said don't touch her.
And what will you do? Why snatcher? What will you do? Like I told you before, I did not come here because of you. So mind your business. Allow me to take her to the shrine and swear. Don't come.
Leave my house.
What is it?
I said leave my house.
Now listen to me. I told you before, I didn't come because of you. Mind your business. Allow me to take her to the shrine. Now let's go.
Leave my house.
Emenike, you are trying me, oh.
I said leave my house.
Emenike, don't dare me, oh. I will be forced to use it.
I said leave my house.
You are telling me, oh.
I said leave my house.
Like I told you.
Please, don't do this.
friend, get up. Akonom, you're pretending to be dead. I know. Get up!
What did you do to him, sir? I am asking you, what did you do to him?
No, I didn't do anything. Oh, nothing. I didn't do anything to him.
And you are holding a stick.
I didn't use a stick on him. I just found him here.
Hello, come on.
I didn't do anything.
Please come on. My eyes are seeing my head.
I didn't do anything.
Hey.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Hey.
I didn't do anything.
What happened to him now?
What happened to you? Oh, you are asking me? Look at him.
No, I didn't do anything.
What did you do to him?
I didn't do anything.
That's a lie. Hey. You are holding this thing.
No, wait. I can't What? I didn't do anything to him.
Wait. What happened? It's a lie. Don't allow him to run away from here. Don't allow him to run away.
I didn't do anything to him.
Can I help you?
Father, please, I need your help. I need your help right now, please. You have to help me, Father.
Okay. What is the problem?
Father, my head is on fire and my heart is beating so fast. Please.
Young man, can you calm down and tell me what the problem is?
My car hit somebody over that side and I think I've killed the person.
Where is him?
Over that side.
Why didn't you help him then?
Father, I have to run for my dear life because people might come out and kill me. Please, Father, I need your help.
I think you should report to police station straight away.
I don't know anywhere here. Father, please, if you can help me to take him to the hospital, please.
All right, wait for me here. I'm coming. I'll go with you.
Okay. Thank you so much. This can't problem with this one now. This can't problem with this one.
Hello, young man. Hello.
It's like that, yes. I am at the gate, open at the gate today.
Where has he gone to? Why human beings are like this? God have mercy.
Oh yeah, come. Bring him. Fast, eh? Oh yeah. Fast, you go and bring a mat. Bring a water. Go fast. Wait. Let him bring a mat.
Okay, Chief.
Hey, fast now.
He fast.
Drop the mat here. Drop the mat. Oh yeah. Put his head this way. Okay, this way. Oh yeah. Remove the shirt. Oh yeah. Fast. Oh yeah. Get the water. Yeah. Fast.
Press. You do it fast now. Huh? Hey! Size up.
He's awake. He's awake.
Akonam is alive.
Hey! Are you okay?
Thank God. Akonam is alive.
Yes!
What? I need to get him some.
Get him water!
Fast.
He's alive. Bring it.
Good one.
Give him.
Good one.
Oh my God.
Hello. What's the problem?
He came back.
Who?
And they killed him. He died.
What?
In my arms.
What are you saying? Who died? Who came back? Who did they kill?
They killed him. He was so real.
Alright, just...
I don't want him to die.
Nobody's dying, okay? Relax. Just relax. I'm here to protect you. I will protect you.
I saw it happened before me. They dealt with him, they beat him up, and then he finally gave up.
Just relax, okay? It should be a drill. Just relax. Relax. I'm here for you.
So scary.
Don't be scared.
Hey God, please stop.
What is it?
I honestly don't think what I'm doing is right. It's not.
Please don't start. Don't bring shame upon your father and all of us.
I'm not bringing shame upon anybody. I'm no longer comfortable with this whole thing. It doesn't go down well with me. It's not. Not happening.
What do you mean?
My conscience wouldn't just let me. I can't continue with this. I cannot leave Emenike just like that and then move on with my life. I can't do a thing like that.
What's all this? Can you stop this madness and get ready? Get ready, we don't have much time.
It's not happening. I'm not doing it. I'm moving on. Don't do it though.